Ever burn dinner while hunting for the right tool? Today's countdown flips that frustration into wow moments. From a carbon steel pan that sears steak like a wok to a toaster that remembers your shade. We'll ride a roller coaster of clever hacks and end with a twist gadget you'd never expect on a countertop. All product links are waiting in the description, and our website hosts in-depth reviews plus side-by-side comparisons. Enjoy the roundup? Tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into the list. Ninja Creami Deluxe 11-in-1 Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. With 11 one-touch programs and XL 24 ounces family tubs, Ninja Creami Deluxe transforms frozen bases into ice cream, sorbet, gelato, slushies, even frozen drinks. 5 new presets handle everything from extra creamy milkshakes to light Italian ice, and the upgraded motor processes in under 2 minutes. Just prep, freeze, press, and enjoy. No rock salt, no guesswork. Because you pick every ingredient, it's perfect for keto, dairy-free, or low-sugar treats, and cleanup is as easy as rinsing the dishwasher-safe containers. A countertop scoop of dessert shop magic that delights the whole family. Cosori Pro 3 6.8 quart Dual Blaze Smart Air Fryer. The 6.8 quart Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze uses independent top and bottom heating coils plus an intelligent temperature algorithm to crisp food evenly. No shaking, no halfway flip. 12 presets cover steaks, seafood, bake, roast, and even reheat. While the VSync app lets you schedule dinner, get push alerts, or start voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. The thick non-stick basket is PTFE and PFOA free and cleans up in the dishwasher. From wings to sheet pan fajitas in under 20 minutes, it's a power-saving shortcut to weeknight crunch with restaurant-level color every time. Instant Pot Duo Plus Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The 8-quart Instant Pot Duo Plus adds a Whisper Quiet steam release lid. No more jump scares when pressure drops. 9 smart functions handle pressure. Slow cook, sauté, rice, yogurt, sous vide, steam, cake, and keep warm, while a tilted message display with progress bar guides beginners through 25 built-in recipes. The tri-ply stainless inner pot resists scorching and can sear on the stovetop. Batch cook chili, bone broth, or a family roast in one pot, and free up both counter space and mental bandwidth during hectic midweek rush. Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Dash's 12-egg deluxe rapid cooker turns breakfast prep into a 5-minute set-and-forget ritual. Choose hard, medium, or soft-boiled, poach up to 7 eggs, or whip a fluffy omelet using the included trays. No stove, no guest timing. A calibrated water cup and auto shut-off buzzer deliver perfect texture every cycle, while the stackable design doubles capacity without hogging counter space. Lightweight for dorms or RVs, yet stylish for full kitchens, it's protein power on demand with zero cracked shell drama. Cleanup is a breeze. Trays and lid hit the dishwasher in seconds. Unikaroo 12G Multi-Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven. Uni's new Karoo 12G shrinks Neapolitan paradise into a 22-pound suitcase-size oven. Feed it wood, charcoal, or an optional gas burner, and it rockets past 950 degrees Fahrenheit in about 15 minutes. Stone baking 12-inch pies with leopard spots in just 60 seconds. The updated glass front door lets you watch cheese bubble without dumping heat, while improved insulation keeps fuel use low. Whether tailgating or balcony grilling, the stainless shell and folding legs make artisan pizza possible anywhere. Cleanup is simple. Brush the stone, stow the legs, and go for your next slice adventure. Meter Pro 2 Plus Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer. Meter Pro 2 Plus is a wire-free probe that finally untethers grill masters from the lid. Lab-certified sensors withstand 1000 degree F and deliver dual-zone readings, internal meat and ambient pit, up to 250 feet to the free app, complete with cook time estimates and rest timers. No wires, ports, or bulky transmitters. Just spear, close, and get real-time alerts while mingling with guests. Dishwasher-safe stainless housing cleans up fast, and the magnetic charger doubles as a rustic display block. Precision barbecue minus the babysitting, perfect for smokers, air fryers, ovens, or open fire adventures. Tenneco Toasty 1 Smart Touchscreen Toaster. Tenneco's Toasty 1 feels like a smartphone upgrade for bread. A 4-inch color touchscreen lets you drag a slider to your exact shade, and each slot remembers its own profile. Light for you, dark for them, in the same cycle. Intelligent heat sensors measure moisture, automatically raise, check, and relower slices until perfect, so no more just one more pop. The stainless chassis looks premium on the counter, and the crumb tray is dishwasher safe. Breakfast personalization finally solved, plus a standby mode turns the screen into a subtle clock. SodaStream eTerra Electric Sparkling Water Maker. The eTerra is SodaStream's plug-in fizz factory. Pop in the Quick Connect carbon dioxide cylinder, choose one of 3 one-touch carbonation levels, and watch the LED-lit base pulse as tap water turns sparkling in under 10 seconds. No batteries, no cans. The BPA-free 1-liter bottle locks with a quarter turn and is top-rack dishwasher safe. Skip sugary sodas / single-use plastic, and tailor bubbles for mocktails or ultra-crisp hydration. Once you sparkle, you can't go back. Your palate and planet will both thank you today. GE Profile. Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker with 0.75-gallon side tank. Ask any cocktail nerd, the good ice is soft, chewable nuggets, and the GE Profile Opal 2.0 cranks out 38 pounds of it per day right on your countertop. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi let you schedule batches or get low water alerts in the Smart HQ app, while the 0.75-gallon side tank triples runtime between refills. Interior LEDs display the frosty cascade, and a self-cleaning cycle keeps minerals at bay. Elevate lemonade, cold brew, or bourbon with bar-level crunch. Quiet operation means late-night ice runs won't wake the house at all. Fellow Opus Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. From espresso shots to French press brunch, the Fellow Opus handles every grind with cafe precision. A 40mm conical burr set and 6-blade C640 geometry create uniform particles across 41 step settings, while an anti-static chute keeps grounds from spraying. The timed dose dial locks in repeatable recipes, and the magnetic catch cup fits portafilters for mess-free puck prep. Wrapped in matte black minimalism, Opus brings barista tools to domestic countertops without the cafe noise. Great coffee becomes your new daily baseline, effortlessly. Presto Stuffler Stuffed Waffle Maker. The Presto Stuffler reinvents waffles by baking the toppings inside. Pour batter, add berries, Nutella, or even taco meat. Top with more batter, close. And the rotating iron seals a 1.75-inch Belgian pocket stuffed edge to edge. Non-stick grids release gooey creations cleanly, and a countdown timer beeps when golden. A built-in waffle tong lifts the whole disc. No fork surgery required. Sweet or savory, brunch becomes a handheld surprise that keeps fillings hot and plates crumb-free. Plus, vertical storage saves cabinet space between indulgent experiments at home. Dash Safe Slice Mandolin, Slicer and Dicer, forget finger guards. Dash Safe Slice keeps your hands above the blade while 30-plus dial adjustable settings shave, julienne, or dice, produce from wafer-thin 1mm to hardy 8mm sticks. A spring-loaded pusher drives carrots through stainless micro-teeth for uniform cuts that cook evenly and look chef-worthy. Everything falls into the catch container, minimizing mess, and the compact body stands upright to slip in a drawer. If chopping is your meal prep bottleneck, this gadget is the accelerator. Safer prep makes it kid-friendly and confidence-boosting for kitchen newbies of all ages. BlendJet 2 Portable Cordless Blender. Beach desk or campsite. The BlendJet 2 brings smoothie power wherever you roam. The TurboJet stainless blade spins at 275 watts, pulverizing frozen fruit or ice in 20 seconds, then self-cleans with a splash of soap and a button press. A USB-C charge delivers about 15 blends, and the leak-proof 16 ounces jar doubles as a travel cup with measurement lines. Lock mode prevents accidental starts in backpacks, and 30 color skins match any aesthetic. Healthy fuel on the fly, just blend, rinse, repeat. No outlet required wherever you wander. NutriBullet Smart Touch Combo Blender. NutriBullet's 1500-watt Smart Touch Combo replaces a drawer of appliances. Tap the illuminated screen for smoothie, frozen drink, puree, or soup programs, or select 3 manual speeds plus pulse. Then watch the cyclonic vortex tear through nuts, seeds, and ice. The 64 ounces Triton pitcher tackles family batches, while 24 ounces and 32 ounces cups screw directly onto the extractor blade for grab-and-go shakes. Dishwasher-safe parts and a low-profile base simplify storage. Serious power meets touchscreen convenience. Blend barista-level frappes without waking the neighbors late night. Rubbermaid Brilliance 22-piece airtight food storage set. Leftovers finally meet their match. Rubbermaid Brilliance's crystal-clear Triton walls resist stains, odors, and drops, and patented lid latches seal 100% leak-proof. Even soup stays put in a backpack. Built-in vents pop open so steam escapes in the microwave without splatter, and the modular design stacks like Legos to reclaim fridge real estate. This 22-piece set equals 11 containers in meal prep-friendly sizes, all dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. Fresher food, tidier shelves, and zero plastic wrap waste. Reviewers call them indestructible pantry gems worth every penny. Souped Up Recipes 12-inch carbon steel frying pan. Hand-hammered carbon steel gives this 12-inch pan wok-level heat response with skillet versatility. Pre-seasoned at the factory, it's ready for searing steaks, tossing fiery stir-fries, even shallow-frying tempura, all without synthetic coatings. The flat base balances on gas, electric, induction, or glass tops, while the wooden stay-cool handle offers confident control when flash-flipping noodles. At barely 3 pounds, it's lighter than cast iron, yet builds the same glossy patina over time, rewarding frequent cooks with naturally slick performance and restaurant-grade char at home. Simple Human 58 liters dual compartment step trash can. This brushed steel powerhouse hides 2 polished interiors, a 34 liters bin for trash and 24 liters bin for recycling, behind one silent slow close lid. The steel pedal is engineered to last 150,000 presses, 20 opens a day for 20 years. And built-in liner pockets dispense code H bags right where you need them. A proprietary nano-silver coating resists fingerprints, so the can stays showroom sleek even in messy kitchens. Odor-trapping seals plus a removable inner bucket make cleanouts painless, turning waste duty into an almost satisfying daily ritual. A Nova Precision Cooker Nano 3.0 Sous Vide. The Nano 3.0 slips onto any stock pot and circulates 800 watts of water power within 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy, transforming tough chuck into fork-cut steak while you stream recipes in the Anova app. Re-engineered Wi-Fi gives rock-solid control from across town, and the 2-button interface is foolproof for offline cooks. At 12 inches tall and under 2 pounds, it tucks in a drawer between uses. Precise temps, set-and-forget timers, and auto-stop when water runs low make 5-star sous vide meals weeknight simple. Takea Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Brew barista smooth. Concentrate without a cafe price. Takea's BPA-free Triton pitcher slots in fridge doors, yet seals airtight, locking flavor for up to 2 weeks. The fine mesh stainless basket filters any grind size cleanly. No paper filters, no sludge. A silicone easy grip handle means spill-free morning pours, and the leak-proof lid lets you shake to speed infusion or tote to picnics. Less acidic, naturally sweet Java on tap, add hot water for winter Americanos, or use the dishwasher-safe pieces for effortless cleanup. Vitamix Propel Series 750 high-performance blender. Powered by a 2.2 HP motor, the Propel 750 pulverizes frozen fruit into sorbet, whips piping hot soup via blade friction, and self-cleans in 60 seconds. 5 one-touch presets: smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup, dips and spreads. Clean, pair with variable speed and pulse for chef-level control. The low-profile 64 ounces container slides under cabinets, while aircraft-grade stainless blades and a 7-year warranty promise decade-long reliability. It's the countertop workhorse pros trust, now tuned for home kitchens chasing flawless texture every single blend. Ninja Foodie Power Blender and Processor System. Ninja's 1600-watt smart torque motor never stalls, even through thick nut butters. Swap between the 72 ounces pitcher, 24 ounces to-go cup, and a 14 ounces smoothie bowl maker with built-in tamper to crush acai to spoonable bliss. The variable dial and 6 presets handle chopping, dough, spreading, and frozen drinks, while Auto IQ pulses for perfect consistency. Dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup, and the stack blade design means no digging around sharp edges. For cooks who want one engine to blitz, knead, and puree, this is the multitasking beast. GE Profile. Smart indoor smoker with active smoke filtration. Brisket in a Brooklyn studio? Yes. GE's countertop pellet smoker filters 95% of smoke through a catalytic converter so aromas kiss your meat, not your drywall. 5 smoke levels, precision 170-450 degrees Fahrenheit control, and a probe thermometer synced to Wi-Fi for remote monitoring. A front window and interior light show bark forming without heat loss, and dishwasher-safe racks stack ribs for up to 6 diners. Wood-fired flavor year-round, rain or shine, apartment approved. Instant Vortex plus 6-in-1 mini air fryer oven. Even crisp trademark airflow fries with 95% less oil, yet still delivers shatter crunch wings. 6 one-touch programs. air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, cover quick dinners to fruit leather. The 4-quart basket fits a pound of fries, but tucks neatly in dorm or RV kitchens. A brushed steel face wipes clean, while a temperature range up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and built-in preheat remind bigger ovens they're obsolete. Pair with the free recipe app for timer syncing and never guess cooking. Lodge 10.25-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. America's skillet since 1896 comes factory seasoned with nothing but vegetable oil, forming a natural non-stick that only gets better the more burgers you smash. Cast iron's legendary heat retention sears steaks, bakes cornbread, and survives open fire camping, ovens, grills, and induction tops alike. Dual pour spouts and an assist handle streamline pan-to-plate moves, while its bulletproof build can outlive family heirlooms. Rinse, scrub, oil, repeat for life. One pan to rule breakfast, dinner, and generations. Joseph Chop 2 Pot plus folding cutting board. Lay it flat for a knife-friendly polypropylene surface, squeeze the soft grip handle and the sides snap up, funneling diced veggies straight into the pot. No runaway onions. Textured feet stay put on slick counters, and the board's slim profile slides into narrow cabinets. Dishwasher safe and available in color-coded sizes, Chop 2 Pot turns prep into a one-hand scoop that keeps benches tidy and saves an extra bowl every meal. Clever design that proves small hinges can make big workflow wins. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Split, pit, and slice avocados in 10 seconds flat. A safe serrated plastic blade glides through skin. A stainless steel pitter pops the stone with one twist. 7 fin blades lift perfect ribbons ready for toast. The cushy non-slip handle keeps slippery hands steady, and top rack dishwasher approval means zero cleanup anxiety. Stop wrestling knives or risking fingers. This pocket-sized tool nails breakfast aesthetics and minimizes waste peel to pit. KitchenAid cordless 7-speed hand mixer. Cut the cord, not the power. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery whips up to 200 cookies per charge, and the quick charge mode delivers a cake's worth of batter in 10 minutes. 7 speeds ramp gently thanks to soft start, preventing flour explosions, while an LED bar shows remaining juice. The compact charger works across KitchenAid's cordless suite, and the mixer stands upright between tasks. No messy beaters touching countertops. Freedom to bake anywhere, from holiday porch pies to tailgate brownies. Chef and Veggie Chop hand-powered food chopper. Pull the ring once and stainless blades spin like a mini lawn mower, mincing salsa, pesto, or baby food sans electricity. 3 cups of capacity, a locking lid, and non-slip base make tent cooking or quick weeknight prep effortless. Throw on the storage lid to park leftovers, then pop the bowl and blades in the dishwasher. Fewer tears from onions, no counter-clinging cords, just satisfying pull-string action that turns whole veggies into fine dice in seconds. Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. Ditch 10 minutes of knife work. Swap among 8 ultra-sharp stainless inserts for diced salsa, spiral carrots, sliced cukes, or waffle fries. The 1.2-liter catch tray keeps counters pristine, while a cleaning cloth flicks debris safely away from fingers. BPA-free ABS construction shrugs off drops, and non-skid feet anchor the unit on slick boards. With everything nesting inside for storage, this chopper turns meal prep from chore to clip-in, press-down done. Perfect for bulk lunches or arthritis-friendly kitchens. Cuisinart TOA 70 Air Fryer Toaster. Oven with grill, and 1,800 watt element plus powerful fan air fries. 3 pounds of wings, bakes a 12-inch pizza, or toast 6 slices evenly. Switch to the reversible grill plate to sear burgers indoors, then slide it under broil for melty cheese. 8 dial-in functions: air fry bake, convection bake, broil, convection broil, grill, warm, toast. Cover breakfast to midnight snacks, and a wide 200-450 degrees Fahrenheit range gives pro control. Stainless walls wipe clean, and the interior light lets you watch cheese bubble without opening the door. Thanks for joining our kitchen gadget countdown. If any of these tools earned a spot on your wish list, smash that like button and share the video with your favorite foodie. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our next batch of must-have tech. Got a question or a gadget we should test? Drop a comment below. We read every single one, and your pick might star in the next episode.